Okay, we would like to sketch the following region in the complex plane. We have this compound inequality, which we read from the middle. The modulus of z minus 2i is between 1 and 4. So it's bigger than 1, strictly greater than 1, and less than, strictly less than 4. So the modulus of the variable z minus 2i gives us the distance between the complex number 2i and the variable z. So this distance is the modulus of z minus 2i. And we want that to be between 1 and 4. So let's see what that would look like in the complex plane. The number 2i, let's say, is here on the imaginary axis. And then at a distance 1 unit away from this number is the imaginary number I, and at a distance 4 units away from this number, and I'll go up here, is the number 6i. So now all points which are greater than 1 unit away from 2i will lay outside of this disk of radius 1 and centered at 2i. And all complex numbers that are less than 4 units away from 2i will lie inside of this disk of radius 4, centered at the complex number 2i. So we have here what looks like a washer, or more technically, an annulus. And for some more detail here, we have the number 3i here, and we have the number negative 2i here. This would be the complex number 1 plus 2i, and over here we would have the complex number 4 plus 2i. Notice that the boundaries of the region are drawn using dashed lines. That indicates that the boundary is not included. If the boundary were included, if we had an equal sign and we were including the boundary, then we would just draw it with a solid stroke.